Morning, guys. Today we're going to do a service on the Polo. We're just going to do oil and a oil filter, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to take off that sun plug, okay, guys? We're going to take that sun plug off, as you can see there, and then we can drain the oil and then take the oil filter off, okay, guys? That is a 19 socket that goes on there, as you guys can see. 19 socket. Crack it loose. Okay, so now we're going to turn it loose. Guys, it's very hard to work with one hand and the other hand with your phone in it. Okay, so now we're draining all the oil out of it. See there? Jeez! This thing I haven't had a service in a long time. Okay guys, this is the sun plug. You always want to put on thread tape on this, okay? Just to make sure it's not gonna leak, okay guys? You take it, wrap it on there. Okay guys? And that's it. See guys? Put thread tape on it, okay? Cool. Guys, once it's finished draining, you want to take your drain plug, sun plug, okay? You want to put it back in there. Just hold it like this. You want to put it back in there. Okay guys? That's in. Then you want to take your ratchet. Okay guys? And you want to tighten it up. Okay, want to tighten it up. Next, you want to take off the oil filter. Okay, oil filter's off, as you guys can see. Okay, just leave that off now. Okay guys, so now we're waiting only for the oil and the oil filter. Okay, so you guys know. The way you put it on, you gotta put some oil here, lubricate this before you put it on. Okay, lubricate it. Okay guys, take it like this, and you lubricate it on that seal. Okay, guys, now we're gonna put oil into the engine. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to start this car up, let it run for a minute or so, and then recheck your oil. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so you got to run it for a minute or so the oil can build up pressure into the oil filter. Well, not build up pressure, but fill the oil filter up. Then you got to switch it off, let it stand for a bit, and then recheck your oil, and then top up if necessary. Okay, guys? And do not rev your engine when you do the service on your car. Okay? When you put new oil in, don't rev it. Let it build up pressure by itself. Okay, guys? Okay, so I'm gonna recheck the oil and see if I need to top it up. Okay, guys? Okay. I guess not, guys. So it's on its level. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oil's very clean. So yeah, it's on its level now. So yeah. I hope this helped you guys. Bye.